is for apple, it sounds B is for ball, it sounds b. C is for cat, it sounds k. D is for dog, it sounds d. E is for elephant, it sounds eh. F is for fish, it sounds f. G is for goat, it sounds g. H is for hippo, it sounds h. I is for igloo, it sounds I. J is for jelly, it sounds j. K is for kite, it sounds k. L is for lion, it sounds o. M is for monkey, it sounds m. N is for nest, it sounds n. O is for octopus, it sounds ah. P is for pig, it sounds p. Q is for quail, it sounds qu. R is for rabbit, it sounds S is for sun, it sounds s. T is for tiger, it sounds t. U is for umbrella, it sounds V is for violin, it sounds v. W is for water, it sounds w. X is for box, it sounds x. Y is for yak, it sounds y. Z is for zebra, it sounds z.